Valentine's Day is coming soon, and I have for you these amazing cookies. They're very simple to make and they're perfect. You can use them as a present or just serve them for Valentine's Day. So first we need to mix flour and salt in a separate bowl, and in food processor or in mixer whip together sugar and butter room temperature. After you've done that, you add egg and mix it again. After that, I added all flour and mixed it until my dough became together in a bowl. And my dough is ready. It's very simple. I move my dough to the plastic wrap, cover it with the plastic wrap, and put it in the fridge for an hour. After my dough cooled down, I roll it. You need to dust your dough with a little bit of flour because it's a little sticky. So roll your dough thickness for about 3-5 mm thick. You can use any of your favorite cookie cutters. I used the heart shape because it's for Valentine's Day. So when you're done with that, put your cut out cookies on a baking sheet and bake them for about 10-15 minutes, depends how thick your cookies are. Your cookies will be still pale when they're ready. They don't need to be darker. While cookies are cooling down, I melted my chocolate on a water bath, and just for fun, I added raspberry flavor. If you have some flavors, you can add any coffee or citrus or mint, whatever you like, or you don't need to add anything at all. It's up to you. It was just my little idea, just for flavor. Don't let your chocolate to heat up too much. Mix it a little more, and when your cookies are cooled down, start decorating. So I dipped half of the cookie in the chocolate and I scraped with this spatula with different size. It has different size teeth. If you don't have it, no matter, you can use fork or just use the regular spatula. So scrape off the chocolate from the bottom and place your cookies on a parchment paper or on a silicone mat. And I added different kind of sprinkles to my cookies. And your cookies are done, ready. You can put them in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes so chocolate will harden, and that's it. You can put them in a box and give someone as a present, or just serve these cookies as a lovely dessert. That's it for today, and I'll see you in my new video.